Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see FitGirl installation guide. This method works for all games guys. You just need to go to search menu and type Windows Security, click on open it. Select virus and threat protection and select manage settings and turn off the real-time protection and then just minimize this page and now open the setup. Select yes. Select the language and select OK. And then just select this music to turn off the music, and if you have less than 8 GB RAM, then just need to check mark this option guys, limit installer to 2 GB of RAM usage, and make sure nothing is running in the background, and then select next option, again next, select browse and select the location where you want to save this game, and then select next option. And here is some languages voiceovers. I'm gonna have that English, other languages I doesn't need. Same thing for your language. After that, select install option. After the game install done, we just need to open up the Windows security we minimized before and then scroll down and select add or remove exclusions and select yes. Select the add and exclusion. Select folder and navigate to the game folder guys. I saved in C drive games and here is the game folder. After selecting it, select folder option. And now the game has been added to this list. Go back and turn on the real-time protection. And now just to close stuff here. And uncheck this option guys. Open this site, redirect to this site. After unchecking both, select the finish option. And as you can see, all files are okay and there is no bad or no missing files found. Just to close stuff here and install these guys. DirectX and Visual C++. If you already has this Visual C++, then the setup will be failed and message will come up. That is no problem guys, just skip this. Just select the close option, that's all right. And as you can see, the game starts without having any problem. And now you will never face a game related problem guys. Don't forget to leave a like guys, thank you.